Hi guys, my name is Zenia and you're watching DC Martini. Today we have with us none other than Shriti and Shabir Aluwalia, who you would always, I think, associate with Kumkum Bhagya, but today they are going to talk about their audible project, Dharmiya. Hi Shriti, hi Shabir, welcome to DC Martini.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
Very good.
Very, very good. Very good. Very excited to hear about the response that Dharmiya has got. So we are really happy that all the effort and all the I don't know what to say. We're just really, really happy. Really happy.
All the effort and hard work is making sense now.
Yeah, true.
You know, because Kumkum Bhagya was such a success and it has still been like one of the top shows. So हम जब TRP देखते हैं तब Kumkum Bhagya हमेशा होता है. And people have loved you guys so much. जब आपने दरमिया लिया था तो कभी ये ख्याल क्या आया that you guys have always been seen together. Now that they won't be seeing you acting, like with your presence, but just with your voice, you would be carrying this around. It can be a difficult task. So, did that bother you somewhere when you signed Dharmiya?
I was apprehensive whether I'll be able to do it because it's only your voice. Also, people have loved that character, those characters a lot. They've loved Abhi Pragya a lot, which also comes from the writing, and it's not an exclusive art, right? Acting, there's a lot of thing involved, and it comes together and it looks so nice and everything. So I didn't. My only apprehension, because the script was written really well. The story is very nice and very engaging. The characters are very endearing. The only apprehension I had was, will I be able to do it? And it will get the kind of exposure that it did eventually, because Audible is the most popular audio.
Of course. For you, Shabbi?
For me, obviously, the first show that we did together was a visual show. From that, we got offered Dharmiya, which is an audio show, which is Balaji's first audio show with Audible. Audible being one of the biggest audio content makers in the country. Obviously, you can't go wrong with them, but for us, it being our first audio show, we weren't too sure when we started with the show. But slowly, when we started meeting the people who were associated with the show, the kind of knowledge they had about audio shows and the detailing that they would share with us, it made our job so much easier. We knew when a sigh works and when it doesn't. Because you're told about the process, you're explained what the journey would be and how it really plays out eventually, and to such an extent that they would also tell us, okay, now there'll be a car sound, like a honk that will play. So that makes life so much easier, because you're being told about your surrounding. So like a small scene will have such an impact, which I thought, which I didn't know would have such an impact. But once we heard the entire show, and we're like, wow, this is really cool. And yeah, so we started with the visual show. Then now we did an audio. Next we'll do a feeling show.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how that's going to work, the feeling wala show.
10 years. Let technology come in. Like James Cameron, he sat on Avatar for 10 years. We'll also say.
Okay. Fingers crossed कि वो भी हो जाए, क्योंकि the more we see, new kinds of content, new kinds of ways, it just opens up so many avenues. You have so many other modes of entertainment as well. But Shriti, Shabir, you guys have always been loved as Abhi Pragya. So when you took on Dharmiya, was there this challenge as well कि अभी प्रज्ञा को जितना प्यार मिला है, क्या इन कैरेक्टर्स को उतना प्यार मिल पाएगा, or we will be able to match or anything of that sort?
देखो, नाम कोई भी हो, ये प्यार ऑडियंस का ही है. You know, whether it's Abhi or Pragya, whether it's Ridan and Sakshi, whether it is any other character that we do in future, it is that love is not coming from anywhere else except from the fans. So it is because of Abhi and Pragya that they've given us so much love that has spilled over to Dharmiya and yeah, so we are thankful to them, mostly them, because they make us do all these wonderful things, and they make sure that these things work and do really well. So thank you to our fans.
Okay. That's a very well put answer, I must say. And you know, before you joined in, I was having a chat with Shruti, and she revealed that ek din itna challenging hua tha that you guys had to record for 3 hours straight. That was one of the longest shoots for this.
Challenging. I didn't realize it was 3 hours, but we did because we had to finish up things.
Right.
You cannot record beyond that because your voice gets tired.
Yeah.
Also,
it dries up and it starts crackling and.
That was my question ki challenges kya hote hai, because we know as actors when you are on screen to fir काफी सारे challenges hote hain, especially after COVID times. तो काफी कुछ बदल गया with all the safety protocols and everything. It got even harder. But while you record for an audio show, what are the challenges that you face?
Sabir, you only have your voice, you have nothing else.
Yeah, it's more than challenges. It's about the process. It's about the process of getting your character right only with a voice. Yeah. So yeah, you can call that a challenge also, but that's also the most amazing part of an audio show is making a character only with a voice. You know, so yeah, so that's your biggest challenge, and that's also if you kind of get it, that's also your USP. So yeah, challenge becomes USP. USP is your challenge. So.
Everything is very interconnected.
Yeah.
You know, Shabbir has ventured into OTT with Fixer. We saw it. You received a lot of love. That was also an all Balaji show. But Shruti, we have seen you on TV. And we would like to see you in other mediums as well. So have you been trying, do you have plans to make your OTT debut or work in films?
I auditioned, nothing has worked out as of yet. But why not? I'm an actor. I would be like, I love TV because it's very comfortable. It is something that I've done for so many years. Of course, I love working. But I'd love to act, like essentially just acting on any medium, and I'd love to explore everything. But हुआ ही नहीं, अभी क्या करूँ?
Yeah, fans तो कब से चाह रहे हैं कि आपको देखें.
Audio हो गया ना?
हाँ, audio तो हो गया.
मतलब nobody ever even asked me. These questions happen when you're doing television for so long. They end up asking you, "Acha, are you not trying for films? Are you not trying for web?" Nobody asks me, "Are you trying for audio shows?" You never know where it takes.
Yeah. Because you know audiences are so used to seeing you like that visual presence. तो audio show का जिक्र बहुत जल्दी से नहीं आता है. तो I think that's where it.
Yeah, but in time to come, बहुत जिक्र आएगा audio shows का.
हाँ, of course, because it gets you hooked. You know, आप एक episode you start listening to one episode and then you can't stop. You're like, अरे आगे क्या होगा? आगे क्या होगा?
And
it's about.
It's just you can in the car, you can listen to it anywhere.
Yeah, it's really comfortable. इसको मतलब लेकर कहीं पर भी सुनो. While cooking, cleaning, washing, running, gymming, anything, you can just
plug it on.
Yeah, plug it on.
I used to sit for makeup because मेरा कुछ काम नहीं है, makeup हो रहा है, hair हो रहा है, and I used to listen to it and I think कर नहीं सकते तो सुन लो.
Of course. Shabbir, Shruti, I would also like to ask you, you know, a lot of actors from the TV industry have claimed that they face a bias. They face this labeling of TV actors when they go for films or then when they audition for films. has it been the same for you as well, Shabbir, especially you, because you have worked in a film, and have you faced this kind of discrimination?
See, I'm very choosy about the kind of work I do.
Mm-hmm.
So if I don't get those good roles in films, I will not do a film for the sake of doing a film. Right. The same goes with web and the same goes with television. So for me, the medium doesn't matter. For me, what matters is what I'm doing to the show or the film or the web show. If I can add my bit, if I'm important enough for this for the story to move forward, then I'll be a part of it. I will not say for me films is here or web is here or television is here. For me, my work is here. So I respect my work and I appreciate people who kind of send me their stories to be a part of their film or their web shows. But I will only do work. I will only do the projects that I feel need me. So I will not otherwise be a part of any project for just for the sake of doing a film or a web show. I do good work on television, and that's because I'm by the grace of God I'm offered that.
And Shruti, have you also faced like any kind of, from people's tone or from how, casting directors would meet you, that they are probably having any discrimination, holding any discrimination against you?
Not. I have heard of it. Like you said, many people have, but I have never faced that. I go for auditions, I audition, and in my heart, I know how good or bad that audition is. So I'm not aware of that. I would be rejected on the basis of having on television for these many months. I don't think that happens so much anymore. You have to go audition and you have to be good at that audition. You have to fit the part, and generally, ideally, you get the job if you fit the part.
Okay. And since you guys are a part of a, Audible show, I have to ask you this. What's your favorite genre when you talk about, shows like this? What's your favorite genre? What's the thing that you like to hear?
Actually, I haven't heard any other audio show except for
Okay.
I've heard the other things that I've heard are audiobooks.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to hear like a thriller, like a horror genre. That really excites me.
Wow. Yeah. Shruti, you said that audiobooks are on your list. So which one is on your list currently?
Right now, How Plants Change Your Mind by Michael Cohen. But wow. What I do a lot of it on Audible only. So there is this book called Metamorphosis, and Benedict Cumberbatch has done the audiobook for it.
Wow.
Amazing baritone. So मैं उसको हमेशा 1.2 की speed से 3.6 कर देती हूँ and he starts speaking really fast. That's a lot of fun to do.
Okay, I'm going to check that out. Also, anything recently, Shabbir?
It's a lot of fun. It's a fun activity to have when you think of listening to.
Fast, super fast करके मैं 3.6 ही करूँगी.
3.6 हाँ, best.
Shabbir, any show that you are currently hooked onto apart from Dharmiya?
Dharmiya.
He's like मैं जाऊँगा ही नहीं मुझे मैं धर्मिया पे ही हूँ अभी
2021 धर्मिया 2022 में देखेंगे.
Okay, and this question always, I know this must be one of the most boring questions ever, but what's next for you guys?
A new year.
Holidays!
It's a new year.
Yeah, the season of holidays are here.
Yeah, so looking forward to lots of fun and family and friends and lots of food.
Yeah, lots of food. मतलब आप लोग food भी खाओगे तब जाके फिर gym में फिर burn करना होगा. That's so much of pressure.
है ना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Now it's holiday season.
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, before we go, I have to ask this. Was there any question that I missed out on asking that you thought I should have asked, but I didn't?
No. No.
Okay. Then hopefully the interview went well, because सुबह जब भी interview होता है, I have this pressure कि मैं कुछ भी बकवास करूँ बहुत मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि सुबह I'll be pissing people off. So I'm very, very worried.
No. You spot on.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you so much,
Thank
Shabnir,
you.
for joining with Desi Martini, and good luck.
Thank you so much, Zina.